Hey everybody, Cheri from The Watering Mouth here, doing an impromptu video. I'm actually filming a few videos today, so you might see me wearing the same clothes. But I just wanted to do some impromptu stuff to show you the state of my kitchen as a Nutritarian in the middle of the morning on a busy day, 3 kids, no plans to film a video. I just am gonna show you everything that was kind of going on here. So if you watched my recent video about vegetable juice recipe that I love, you know I just filmed this one, and so I'm drinking this juice. So you can check out that video if you like. Delicious. And I thought it would be good to show you the state of my fridge after not having cleaned anything, not planned anything, just so you could see them. We got the babies in the high chairs right now. My daughter's over there playing with her toys after we just watched the movie Frozen. And I have a grocery delivery coming in, so I'm gonna do a separate video about my grocery store haul. But I wanted to show you what was in my fridge before we got to that, so you can kind of see a typical fridge day, all right? So, yes, love? Oh, let me see. You did it! Wow! Baba! You did it all by yourself. Nice job! Okay, what is going on over here? Oh no, I let them get to the wipes. Ay, let's clean this up real quick. I'll be right back. That's that. Let me show you what we have in my fridge, above the fridge, and in the freezer, and then we will conclude this tour. Here we go. All right, so without any prep and without having shopped for a few days, normally we have our milk up here. Lately, I've been giving the girls this milk. I love it. This is the milk we transitioned out of after formula. Unsweetened Ripple, pea protein. It's got DHA and calcium and all this good stuff. My husband and I usually drink almond milk. All right, I'm gonna have to film this video holding this one. So, wish me luck. I like this yogurt drink for my daughter sometimes. It's got a lot of sugar in it, so we don't do it very often, but she loves it. This isn't gonna work for my daughter. She's still fussy. We have some applesauce back there from a recipe, some sauerkraut, onions that I use on my salad, and we have maple syrup for the kids' waffles. Chocolate yogurt is my daughter's favorite. We do that every once in a while. Some tahini in that container right there. Back here we have some more tahini. We have some vegan mac and cheese. That was boxed mac and cheese. My kids love it. It's got sweet potatoes as a sauce. Love it so much. Here's a soup that I made the other day, which is just vegetables and lentils and veggie broth, and then I put some kale in. And I've been serving it with cashew butter and lemon juice, which is one of my favorite ways to serve soup. We got some leftover lemons. There's some more tahini even, some grapes. And down here I have a salad that I should have eaten, but it has gone bad now. Those are some granola bars that I made, some leftover pasta sauce, some roasted cauliflower and broccoli for the kids. There's some shredded carrots back there, cat food, cauliflower rice, and some tofu to be used for various things, Ezekiel bread and avocado. I made some pasta, which is chickpea pasta there for the kids. It's got some carrots that I also made earlier, some beets and sweet potatoes that are steamed. And then we've got I keep all my greens. So we have some romaine there. I also have some kale back there. This drawer is not so much my drawer, it's more for my daughter. It's like bread products, tortillas, whole wheat tortillas, English muffins from Ezekiel, cream cheese, vegan pitas, which are actually going bad. I have to throw those out. And then down here are my 2 drawers. This drawer is just regular veggies that I typically use for soup. So I just buy whatever. Like we have some zucchini, some cauliflower florets, peppers. Typically these will just end up in a soup later, like that soup I have up there. And then I have some salads, the bagged salads that I'd use as my salad lately. Sometimes I make my own salads, but lately it's just been about saving time, so I've been doing these kinds of bagged salads. They're not the best choice because they're not organic. They have salt and sugar and oil. So this drawer is my kind of juicing drawer, and I put the things that I like. Oh, she can play with the carrot. That's a good idea. No, she can't play with the carrot because then she'll eat it. Anyways, this is my juicing drawer. So I have carrots, I have beets, and I have celery typically, and maybe sometimes bok choy, and I use these as my juicing ingredients. In the door, we have hemp seeds, walnuts, chia seeds, and full flax seeds, pecans, vinegar as if we needed more. A little bit of vegan butter, but I actually don't think I'm gonna buy this again. My daughter likes it too much and I like it too much too. It's just not a great choice. We had bought it because I made her a birthday cake, and then I bought it again, but I have been not buying it for a long time because I eat it too much. So I'm trying to stay away from that. Condiments that I don't use much. Jelly. My husband likes the peanut butter and jelly. I like peanut butter and jelly. These are condiments that we had from my pregnancy. More vinegar, because definitely needs more vinegar. The DHA, EPA, some mustard, vegan Worcestershire sauce, however you say that. This is where we keep the ground flaxseed. And then I have other DHA supplements, and then I have some red curry paste up here. Okay, that's it for the fridge. She is entertained. Up here we have a bunch of different things. This is a cereal I like to give the girls, organic. It's like Cheerios, but it's organic. This one was a taste experiment. It was kind of okay, but not her favorite. And then this is her favorite because it's just not very good for you. And more of those. Some fruity super rings, organic, which you don't really like those. This is where we keep our oatmeal. This is my pine nuts, and then I have buckwheat back there, buckwheat breakfast cereal. My friend sent these to me the other week, and then our nanny gave these to us for a birthday, so we just do that stuff sparingly. All right, let's finish up with the freezer real quick. It will be funny, actually, if you compare this with the last video I did in my freezer and see if I still have stuff in there, which I'm sure I do, that I did since the last freezer video. Okay, frozen cherries, ice cubes, blueberries. This is my daughter's favorite ice cream, vanilla bean, coconut milk. I don't actually like it very much. Shredded coconut I always keep in there because we don't use it enough and it goes bad easy. These are all frozen things. Frozen kale I had that was going off that I use for juice sometimes and in my smoothies. Butternut squash, ice cubes. These are pomegranate arrows, and I think that's quinoa that I made one time. I can't remember. We have some, oh, right. This is my daughter's favorite things to get into. We have these frozen burritos that we've never eaten, and they love to play with them when I open up the freezer. So that's happening. English muffins. These are some chickpea nuggets that I made. Recipe from this book, I think. Yes, pretty decent. I liked them. Salt-free, oil-free. It's pretty cool. Frozen bananas. More vegetables. We do a lot of frozen vegetables for the kids around here. Veggie burgers. I like the Dr. Prager's brand. They're not terrible on the sodium. I mean, they're not perfect, but they're not the worst. Beans. Millet. Wait, millet? I can't remember. No, sorghum. More, oh my gosh, we have so many English muffins. Because she was eating them every day for a while, now not so much. Bread. This is our favorite vegan tortellini. She eats that occasionally. Yep, still things in here from last time, I can tell. This drawer is the one that gets me. There's some tempeh back there that I never eat. A soup that I made a long time ago. Some beans. Mango, because I'm allergic to mango, so I don't eat it much. There's some chickpea. We need to clean this. This is the vegan pizza that we get. It's a vegan margarita pizza. We have more bread, because we were really going through bread a lot, and now we're not going through it so much right now. More frozen veggies. More frozen pasta. Corn. This is a good video to do so I can see what I actually have in here. And then pineapple, because I hate frozen pineapple. Lima beans, more pineapple. And then some veggies. And some burgers that are making their way around the house. Oh, and those burritos too. All right, so that's it. That's all I have in my freezer, my fridge. Didn't clean nothing, didn't prepare anything, and the groceries are gonna be delivered here pretty soon, so make sure you check out that grocery haul. I'm gonna post that at some point, so you'll be able to see what I typically order from Whole Foods on a typical grocery run or delivery. That's your wand? Okay, that's all I got. Ask me any questions below if you have any questions about this stuff. I'm gonna try to get these foods back in the freezer. Wish me luck with that. And that's it. So if you're interested in learning more about the Eat to Live lifestyle, you should definitely try one of our free challenges that we have, free eating challenges. You can get a free 9-day challenge on my website at thewateringmouth.com. Just go to the homepage and you can get that 9-day challenge, download that. And then we'll be able to chat and talk more about things that are coming up in the future. We'd love to see you in a challenge coming up, or even in the Eat to Live family. Uh-oh, she's trying to shut her into the freezer. Okay, we'll see you in the next video.